Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The World is Science and Physics, and I am with you your friend Kumar Priyanshu. And today we are talking about the most inspiring and the most interesting thing in the entire universe, that is known as a black hole. There are hundreds of questions about this black hole which are yet to be answered. Some of these have been answered, while some others are still within theoretical framework and remaining gives birth to numerous science friction we encounter a day-to-day basis. So, what is exactly a black hole? A black hole are nothing but remnant of the dead stars. Not all stars converts into a black hole. Our sun will never become one. Only stars those who are 10 to 15 times bigger than the sun becomes a black hole. The stars explode at the end of their life, and the phenomena is known as the supermassive explosion or the supernova. Force of gravity is so high in black hole that it leads to the gravitational time dilation. This is a phenomena where time slows down because of the gravitational pull. Interesting fact is that time dilation can also occur when the velocity increases. This is known as the time dilation or the velocity time dilation, generally experienced by the astronaut. We will come to this topic in other list. Coming to the black hole, time completely stop at the center of the black hole. Black hole have something known as event horizon. There is some heavy scientific explanation behind this, but let us put it in simple words. Event horizon refer to a point of no return. Every object in a black hole have a boundary. Any object outside that boundary is perfectly safe. But if an object crosses that event horizon, it will have no other option but to fall into the black hole. Black holes are literally the densest object to live in universe. So how dense can a black hole get? Imagine what kind of dense you would like to get if you try to squeeze the entire mass of Earth into a small sphere of diameter of 9 millimeter. This is type of density we are talking about. Black holes can grow because anything that enters that event horizon gets sucked in. Thus, black holes can grow infinitely large, and they are known as supermassive black holes. So Stephen Hawking theorized that even black holes emit something, and that they emit radiation. This radiation is emitted by the mass of the black hole. According to Hawking, black holes keep losing their mass of radiation and eventually they evaporate. Black hole eventually shrink down to the size of smaller than the size of an electron. At this stage, it reaches a size what is known as Planck's length. This length is actually the quantum size length or the limit. Theoretically, nothing can become smaller than this, and there is actually no instrument available that can measure the length. The value of length or the Planck length is 1.61619926 into 10 to the power minus 35 meters. The event horizon is just the beginning of the black hole. It is not the core of the black hole. The core of the black hole is called singularity. This point of singularity is the ultimate destruction point. Absolutely nothing can survive at this point. Closer to black holes, things simply get distorted. The immense gravitational pull of the black hole has the ability to distort even space. This distortion gets profound because black holes spin rapidly. As we all know, light could not escape from the black hole. But if something travels faster than light, it can actually escape the black hole. Unfortunately, there is nothing such as known to the mankind. So still there are many questions which have not been answered by the science about the black hole. So hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe my channel, and please share this information to others also.